I'm Emma, your host, and today we're starting a very practical topic that many English learners find challenging: being at the airport.
Hi, Emma, and hello to everyone listening. I'm Jamie, and I'm really glad we're talking about this today. Airports can feel confusing, stressful, and even scary, especially if English is not your first language.
Exactly, Jamie. From check-in to boarding, there are many steps, many announcements, and lots of new vocabulary. But don't worry, we're going to walk through everything slowly and clearly.
Part 1. Arriving at the airport. Emma, let's start at the beginning. You arrive at the airport. What's the first thing you should do?
The first step is check-in. This is where you confirm your flight and get your boarding pass.
That's right. Check-in tells the airline, I'm here and I'm ready to travel.
Today, airlines usually offer a few check-in options. You can check in online, use a self-service kiosk, or go to the check-in counter.
Online check-in is very popular. You can do it on the airline's website or mobile app, usually 24 hours before your flight.
When you check in online, you can choose your seat and receive your boarding pass on your phone.
But if you have big luggage, you still need to drop it off at the baggage counter.
Part 2. At the check-in counter.
If you go to the check-in counter, an airline staff member will help you.
They may ask simple questions like, "May I see your passport?" or "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
You should have your passport, visa if needed, and ticket details ready.
Being prepared saves time and helps you feel more confident.
The staff member will give you your boarding pass and tell you your gate number.
They might also say, "Have a nice flight," or "Enjoy your journey." Part 3. Security check.
After check-in, you go to security screening.
This is where your bags and personal items are checked for safety.
You'll need to place your bags, phone, laptop, and liquids in trays.
You may also need to remove your shoes, belt, or jacket.
Listen carefully to the security officers. If you're not sure, you can politely ask, "Excuse me, what should I do?"
Security can feel stressful, but it's a normal part of air travel. Part 4. Understanding flight information.
Once you pass security, it's very important to stay informed about your flight.
Look for the flight information screens around the airport.
These screens show your flight number, destination, gate, and boarding time.
Gates can change, so always check the screen even if you already know your gate.
Airports also make announcements over loudspeakers.
Announcements may be fast, but listen for keywords like your flight number or destination. Part 5. Using technology at the airport.
Many airlines also have mobile apps.
These apps can send you messages about gate changes or delays.
This is very helpful if the airport is busy.
You can also save your boarding pass on your phone, so you don't need paper. Part 6. Navigating the airport terminal.
Airports are large places with many areas.
You'll see signs for gates, restrooms, food, and baggage claim.
Most airports have maps, on walls or online.
If you feel lost, don't worry, you can ask at an information desk.
A simple question like, "Excuse me, where is gate 23?" is perfectly okay.
Part 7. Waiting for your flight.
If you have time before boarding, you can relax.
Many airports have cafes, restaurants, and shops.
You can eat, drink water, or charge your phone.
If your flight is delayed, try to stay calm.
Delays happen even to experienced travelers.
Part 8. Layovers and delays.
Some trips include layovers, which means stopping at another airport.
During a layover, check your next gate and boarding time.
If the layover is long, you can walk around, eat, or rest.
Some airports even have lounges or quiet areas.
If your flight is delayed, use the time wisely. Read, listen to music, or message family.
Part 9. Boarding the plane.
When boarding starts, the airline will call groups or seat numbers.
Have your boarding pass and passport ready.
The staff may say, "Boarding group B, please."
Follow instructions and enter the plane calmly. Part 10. Helpful travel tips.
Emma, let's share some final tips.
Sure. First, stay organized.
Keep important documents in one safe place.
Second, arrive early.
Being early reduces stress.
Third, be polite and patient.
Airport staff are there to help you. Navigating an airport may seem difficult at first.
But with practice, it becomes easier every time.
Learning these English phrases gives you independence and confidence.
Thank you for listening to English Pro Space.
Tell us what part of the airport feels hardest for you.
We'd love to hear your experience.
Safe travels, keep practicing, and see you next time on English Pro Space.